Well, good people, can you believe it? It is November out here in Green Country. Yep, November. Just a couple of weeks till Christmas. I think I probably better do something about this cherry tomato. It's bound to get really cold sooner or later. I think I'd like to have tomatoes on into the winter. Alright. Well, here's a pot that just has some curly dock and maybe a couple of odds and ends. Oh, is that Bermuda grass? Ah, weeds. So, what we have here is a seedling maple tree and a tomato that decided to grow out of the starting pot and down into this this pot right here. How exciting! Yes, it's true. Many of your vegetables, like tomatoes and pepper plants, are actually capable of being overwintered indoors. And can be replanted in the following spring. Just going to come in here, liberate these roots. Ooh, we had a big taproot there. Probably broke off, went down into the ground. We're going to go ahead and spare what we can. Alright, here we go. Pardon me, fig tree. Yeah, we got a fig tree. It's Oklahoma. We have weird weather. Alright. Honest, I swear winter is coming. Winter is coming. That's the entire reason for doing this. Winter is coming. Alright, I'm going to dig out down in here. Ooh, there's some grub. Down here a bit. This is a goodly mix here of our native soil and homemade compost made by composting wood chips right there in the walkways. Plenty of organic matter. The plants just love it. This and lower that rate. And we're going to get the helicopter coming back around making more noise. But only one of us can film at the moment. Okay, there we go. We are all packaged up and ready to go. Now all I got to do is bring this around to the back door. And I've got a space in the back room where we get a little bit of sunshine, and we just might be able to keep this plant alive throughout the winter. Woohoo! There's a Chadwick cherry tomato in a 10-gallon pot, if you're interested in knowing what we're transporting. A little piece of strap will help keep this from falling off of the handcart as we move it around. Lunch. Yeah, there's one. Yes, yes, pumpkin's still coming along. Little frost damage from the other day on those high leaves, but for the most part, it's still growing. Good. I don't know if it'll be big enough for the bottom of this thing or not. Might not be. I'll take it in all the same. Okay, time to go inside. Okay, let's head inside. Oh, Mr. Bilbo Baggins, sir. Oh, kitty kitty with all that fur. Oh, Bilbo Baggins. Bilbo boy. Oh, kitty kitty. Kitty boy. Hey, I need you to come with me to the front porch for a bit. I got to do something back here, sir. I know you like it back here, but I got to make room for some plants. You understand, right? 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 What in the world can I do that will get the kitties to come out to the front porch? Bill, you coming? Billy boy. We coming. Now with the kitties lured away, with the promise of food, we can do a little reorganization. Whoop, pardon me. Let's see. Brine shrimp. You guys can move back over here. Aloe vera. Hi. How you doing? I'll put you over here for right now. Yeah. That's the old mother plant right there. Alright, this is a good spot, I think. Let's see. I don't know if this is going to be big enough, but it's something. I got to untie this, don't I? Yes, I do. Strap loosened. Alright. And we're going to go ahead and use the cart as much as possible. So that'll hold the limbs while I do the lift. Hopefully we won't break anything off. Tall order, but we might make it. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, I probably want a different something or other for a base down here because that is way too narrow. Alright. I'll see what I got. Probably one of these lids ought to do the trick. Yeah, let's do that. I realized that I had these 15-gallon little rubberized stock tanks available, and these would be great, more than great, for putting water in around the base of them, and it also provides a place for me to install this old plastic, what is this? Lattice work? Not lattice work. Yeah, I guess it is. This old plastic lattice. Boy. We had intended for this to be the covering for the grape arbor at one time, but then after looking at it for about a year, decided the plastic was cheap looking and ultimately not what we wanted. And so, here we go. We now have a new lease on life as a guardian and protector of tomato plants. And somehow we got to get this trussed up here. Hopefully I've got some twine and hopefully we haven't done too much damage. Let me see what I can do. Well, I guess that'll do it. Now I'll just add a little bit of this water from the pond. For sub-irrigation and fertilization. And hopefully, if we're lucky, not only are we going to be able to keep our tomato plant alive throughout the winter, we just might be able to harvest a few more sweet, tasty treats. Like that one there. You've been watching Green Country Agroforestry. As always, if you found today's video informative or entertaining, or maybe a little bit of both, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. Until then, get out there and get growing.